Return to Jesus. Return to Jesus. I heard you serving this Sunday. I heard the saints rejoicing. But deep within my spirit, I heard that still small voice, the Spirit calling. Return to Jesus. You're going wrong. You've been wandering far too long. You used to serve me, but you drifted apart. And I want to cleanse your sin and live within your heart. I used to read my Bible and spend time in prayer, but I got so busy, I got caught in the devil's snare. But still I heard it. Return to Jesus. You're going wrong. You've been wandering far too long. So I went to the altar, gave him everything I had. He took me back and set me free, and now I am so glad I finally did it. Return to Jesus. If you have lost, He still loves you. Please come home. Return to Jesus. Return to Jesus.
Woo!